G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve, and about 4 weeks ago we had a look at taking some cuttings of mint and placing them into water to see how they would sprout roots. Today we're coming back, about 4 weeks later, to have a look at how that has gone. This is the mint that about 4 weeks ago we took some cuttings off, and if we have a little bit of a closer look here, you can see that we've got quite a lot of roots growing from the junction points on these stems. If I take it out, you can actually see these roots quite clearly. Now, if I place these mint stems with these roots into some pots, and we fill those pots with an appropriate potting mixture and look after them for a while, we'll find that each of these stems will in fact develop into a very nice new mint plant. Let's go ahead and do that. So now I have my mint cuttings here, complete with their roots, some potting mixture and some pots. I'm simply going to just place the potting mixture into the pots, place our mint into that mixture and then backfill. Repeat that procedure for the others. And there we have it. And so there we have now some new mint plants that I can share with some friends or perhaps spread around my own garden a little bit further. You can notice with this one here though, it is a little bit leggy after its time in the water. To promote a bit more bushy growth habit, I'm going to just trim this off here like so. That piece I can use in some mint tea or a salad perhaps. But now with a good water in, this plant and these other ones as well are going to establish as well developed new mint plants. And of course I can then spread that around my own garden, as I mentioned before, or share with some friends. Now just to recap, when we first took our original cuttings, we placed them into some water. Don't forget to change that water, and over the next 3 or 4 weeks you should see some nice root development happening. Once we had that good root development, we were then able to place them into some pots, give them a bit of a water in, and give them a bit of a trim in order to promote a bit more bushy growth habit. Apart from that, it's just the normal care and maintenance that you would give any type of herb plant. I'd probably give them a bit of a water with some seaweed emulsion just to get a bit of good root further growth happening and to get them well established in these pots. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I please ask you to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget, go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.